Hey there friends, welcome to the 9th day of the 12 days of baked goods. We are almost done and today we're making this Mickey churro marshmallow pop. As always, everything you're going to need will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started. In a bowl we're going to add our gelatin and water. Give it a whisk and then we're going to put this aside and let it harden. I recommend using a stand mixer if you have one for this recipe, since you will be whipping this up. In a pot, add your sugar, your water, and your corn syrup to this. And then we're going to boil it until it gets to 240. And then we're going to slowly start pouring this into the gelatin mixture. Make sure to take your time with this and be very careful, since this is very hot and can be dangerous if it comes in contact with your skin. So just keep mixing this and adding this in slowly. You can do this in a stand mixer if you have one. If you're doing it by hand, it is going to take probably about twice the time. Halfway through, I did pour in my vanilla extract, mixed it up a little bit, and then started pouring the rest of my corn syrup mixture. Don't be alarmed by the color. If you just keep whipping this up, it will turn white and get all fluffy. I did end up transferring mine over to my stand mixer. And while that was whipping up, I placed some powdered sugar on a 1/4 sheet pan. As you can see, my mixture is ready. And I started pouring this out here. You can also grease your pan and put some powdered sugar on there. This will help with the stickiness. Once done pouring in, I'm going to cover this with some powdered sugar again. Once it's done, you can cover it in saran wrap, place it aside and let it firm up, or place it in your fridge. And once it's firm, I'm going to get my Mickey Mouse cutter and start cutting out some Mickey shaped marshmallows. At this point you can make any shape. You can also make it as thick as you like depending on what pan you use to pour in your mixture. So once I'm done with this, I'm just going to put some Lollipop Sticks in each head. And in a plate, I'm going to combine my sugar and cinnamon. You can also do this in a bowl before coating your marshmallows. So here I'm just creating my cinnamon mixture. Place that aside and we're going to dip our Mickey heads in the white chocolate. You can be a little careful with this, but since they're so sticky, they do tend to be pretty firm on that lollipop stick. So you can tap these on the edge of the bowl carefully. Just remove that excess white chocolate, and then we're just going to coat this with that cinnamon sugar mixture. Once you're done, just place them aside, let them firm up for a few minutes, and then we're ready to go. And here are those churro Mickey marshmallow pops. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see all the recipes I post, hit the subscribe button. And until next time, stay sweet.